Chief Justice Martha Karambu Koome has officially assumed office as Kenya's 15th Chief Justice and President of the Supreme Court. Deputy Chief Justice Philomena Mwilu handed over instruments of power and a report on the state of the judiciary to the new Chief Justice this morning in a ceremony which took place at the Supreme Court in Nairobi. During her interview for the position, Justice Martha Koome indicated she would prioritize clearing and the backlog of cases in the judiciary, a matter she's also spoken quite a bit about this morning. Helen Aura attended that ceremony and is now joining us live for more details. Helen, a very good afternoon to you. In her maiden speech, she's also spoken widely about ensuring that the independence of the judiciary will be protected under her tenure. Helen.
Well, Zainab, it's indeed been a day in history. The assumption of office of Chief Justice Martha Koome has been graciously marked with pomp, color, and words of wisdom. As you said, she becomes the 15th Chief Justice of Kenya, but the third under the Constitution of 2010. And one of the key issues that she stated was the backlog of cases in the Judiciary Service Commission, in the judiciary system, stating that with her tenure right now, she will ensure that cases will be in the system at most for a period of 3 years, as it was before in her predecessor before Justice Maraga. She also tackled that she'll deal with issues surrounding corruption, as the judiciary service has been marred by corruption. She states that there's a lot of backlog also of cases pertaining corruption, and this hinders and threatens the independence of the judiciary. And this is one key where she also wants hands and efforts together to be able to ensure that the judiciary can be able to be trusted and to stand independent as well. The other issue that she also now walks in at a time where the issues surrounding funding and underfunding in the judiciary system. And as earlier mentioned, it was stated that issues surrounding funding, there needs to be expansion within the judiciary, especially with this particular time of COVID-19. There's been a lot of use of the digital technology, with cases being done virtually. So it's been one of the challenging issues that has been brought forward to ensure that there's adequate funding within the judiciary system. She had also mentioned that with her coming into place, she mentioned that she wanted support in improving access to justice, establishing a high court in every county and a magistrate court in each district. She says this in turn will ensure that each and every Mwananchi can be able to access justice from wherever they are nearby, not because as it was before, Mwananchis would live wherever they are just to come to courts which are farther from where they really are. So she is saying this, and this will ensure the vulnerability, and we're looking into the Mwananchis' needs to also ensure that we are catering to their needs as well. And Zainab, this is also like one of the commemorations in history in Kenya. She becomes one of the most powerful women in the country. And also this also goes to show women empowerment in the judiciary, with the top 3 positions being filled by women. That's the CJ position, the DCJ position, and the registrar position. Back to you, studio.